happy Wednesday. I am currently sitting outside of Kroger. I am about to run in there and film a, guess what you could call, catch-up haul. I haven't been to Kroger in over 2 weeks, y'all. And if you watched my video last night, you know why I've been a little MIA. And I just want to thank you guys again for all of the support. It truly does mean so much to me. So as I mentioned, I'm a little behind on the Kroger deals. So I'm going to run in there, do just a few deals, not too many, y'all, probably under 10 items or so. So if you've been maybe a little MIA from couponing and want to catch up on some Kroger deals, well, this is the perfect video for you. So yeah, just going to keep it pretty simple today. So, and I'm working on an Ibotta bonus. So I need to finish that up because it's for $5. So going to see what Kroger has for me here. But before I run in there, guys, please make sure you are subscribed and that you have the notification bell turned on so that way you don't miss any of my hauls. And yeah, let's get to it. I headed straight for the clearance section as soon as I got into Kroger, and it did not disappoint. These Siete taco seasonings were on clearance for $1.29. There's a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, plus a $1 rebate on aisle with a limit of 1. So 1 is a moneymaker, or I grabbed 2 for just 4 cents each. I had to do a little bit of digging for this next deal, but I found 2 of these Amazing Grass fizzy tablets. They were on clearance for $1.49 each. There's a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, so that makes each bottle of fizzy tablets completely free. My last find were these Genexa Kids Cough and Chest Congestions. They were on clearance for $4.49. There was a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta, and the matching rebate was also on Kroger Cashback for a total of $5. So that made each box a 51-cent moneymaker. I wanted to talk real quick about the new mega event that started today. Normally, we have to buy 5 participating items in order to get $1 off of each one. But with this particular event, you must buy 6 items to get 50 cents off only. So I don't really get it, and I believe that's why the deals are pretty dry this week. Normally when we have a mega event, we can score great deals, but there's just not a whole lot to do this week. But it's okay. We're going to make it work. We're going to grab 2 Chobani oat milks. They are $3.49 each after mega event savings. I'm going to clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon found in the Kroger app for one of them. And then I'm going to use a $1 off hang tag that I found on other Chobani products. If you don't have that hang tag, you can submit your receipt to checkout 51 for the second carton. Then we're going to upload our receipt to Ibotta, where we're going to get back $2 for each one, making them just 49 cents each. But do check the prices at your store. Mine are a little bit higher priced. I have seen others be able to score this deal today, and theirs were completely free. It's a new month, so the Swagbucks offer for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust has reset. If you're not aware, Swagbucks did redo their limits on the number of times this can be redeemed per month. It used to be 1, but now in some cases it is 2 or 3 a month. So I'm going to grab 4 of these, and I'm going to pay $11.96 out of pocket. Then I'm going to upload my receipt to Swagbucks and get back $12, making all 4 free. These Chobani probiotic yogurt drinks are on sale for $3.79. They are only $3.29 after mega event savings. There is a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, and the matching offer is also on Kroger Cashback, making each one just 29 cents. There is also a 50-cent bonus if you have not completed that as well to make them a little bit cheaper. So this empty shelf is where the Rowdy energy drinks are supposed to be. And I'm really not surprised that they're sold out because they were freebies. And I'm not too sure how long they've been freebies, but I'll tell you what the deal is. They are 2 for $4, so $2 each. There is $1 back on Ibotta, and the matching offer is also on Kroger Cashback, so that makes them essentially free. So that is another deal that you can check out and look for at your store. So the second deal that I wanted to do that I just could not find the product were the soft soap foaming tablets. I looked in the Kroger app. I went up and down that aisle like 50 times and just could not find them. So I'll tell you guys about it. They are $3.99. There is a $2 off digital in the Kroger app. You would pay $1.99 and upload your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making one pack of those just 49 cents. Here's a look at my final cart. I did 6 different deals for a total of 16 items in this haul. I'm going to head over to checkout and I'll recap with you guys when I get back home. All right, y'all, I made it back home, and let me tell y'all, it is going to take some time to get used to shopping at a new Kroger. I got so used to the ones in Houston by my house, and this one I had no idea where anything was. It was one of those big Krogers that has the clothes in it too. So definitely going to take some getting used to. Kind of frustrating that they didn't have some stuff in stock, but let's talk about that clearance section. That was the MVP of this haul, man. Found some good stuff in there. They did have a pretty solid clearance section. Little messy, as you can maybe tell, but had some good stuff in there. All right, y'all. Let's talk about how it went in store for my transaction, and then how it went uploading my receipts to the rebate apps. So, went pretty smooth at checkout. I only had one paper coupon, which was for the second Chobani milk. The digital came off just fine. All of the mega event items came off just fine. And yeah, pretty smooth there. Paid around $44 out of pocket. Then I uploaded my receipt to Ibotta, where Ibotta actually caught everything on my receipt, uploaded with no problems, got that 50-cent Chobani bonus, so that was nice. Then I texted my receipt to Aisle, which they confirmed that they did receive it. It is still processing, so hopefully I'll get that $2 for that. And then I submitted my receipt to, where else did we do? Swagbucks. That went perfectly fine with the Cinedust. That's a reason why I share that deal all the time, is because I know it will go through no problem. So got the $12 back on that as well. And I only mentioned Swagbucks for the Cinedust deal and not Checkout 51, because technically Checkout 51 and Swagbucks are affiliated. Especially if you're using the same email for both, it may cause a little bit of a hiccup or may not allow you to. So just be careful if you are doing that, and that goes for the Chobani milk as well. Yes, it may accept it, it may not. Just be careful with that. I don't ever want to promote it and someone have their account banned or anything like that. So if you choose to do that, that's fine. But like I said, just be careful. And then as far as Kroger Cashback goes, I think it was 2 offers that I had cleared out of there and should be processing. So I will double check that in a few days or whenever that goes through and make sure that process is fine as well. So all in all, after I put it in my spreadsheet, which is below in the description, y'all, I do a breakdown of pretty much all of my deals and put it in the description for you guys. So you can always reference back to that. But after it was all said and done, it was a small moneymaker after that 50-cent Chobani bonus. So not a bad little haul that I did on the fly. So hopefully this will catch me up completely and we will be back in business with Kroger hauls. All right, y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. If you are not signed up for any of the rebate apps that I used in this video, you can sign up for them through the description. I have links for all of them. Some do offer welcome bonuses and different things like that, so be sure to check them out if you are not currently using those rebate apps. All right, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.